All right, y'all. Tootie is back with the bread. She's gonna try to rescue the bird.
Looks like he did.
Well, we said that yesterday, I think, but I don't think he's. Yeah, he's still moving. Try to give him the bread, Tootie. No, you gotta feed it to him and get closer. Come on. As you can see, she's a little nervous. The bird is faking dead right now because I think he knows. Uh-oh. We got a little movement in him. Give him the bread, Tootie. No.
He probably smells. He eat bread.
Yeah, give me another piece.
Wait,
Why don't y'all just set it in front of him?
Give me another piece, Tootie. I don't think he can move on one side.
No, I mean like just.
Eat, bird. Eat.
Bro, you just set it in. Look, let me see.
Yeah, go ahead. Go
Like
Jazz.
this.
Go ahead, Jazz. Show us.
Yeah.
No.
Not like that.
Oh, come on, birdie.
He's probably too dead
Eat.
to eat.
What think
Well-
you were? Think he's dead.
Well, we tried, y'all. There's no movement. Tootie tries to do the right thing to feed him.
I think he's dead. I think he's officially
I
dead.
think he's officially dead. We did what we could.
Or we didn't.
Bye, bird. Well, y'all, we tried. Tootie, great job. You tried.
He's faking dead.
Good job, Tootie.
I think y'all did work.
I think he did something else.
Y'all should just like go crazy.
Let's go. Bye, bird. Everybody say bye to the bird.
Oh, y'all kill him.
No, we tried to save him. See what?
Y'all should have left God.
All I can say is
Still breathing. His stomach is good.
try to teach him to do the right thing. We tried to save him. We gave him some bread. We gave him some water. Bird's been like that for 2 days, so I don't think there's no help for him. I'm not going to pick him up. I'm not going to have my girls pick him up. So we just let the circle of life begin. I see a couple of vultures in the air.
He breathing. His stomach was.
It's all right. He won't be breathing in a couple of hours. All right. Peace out, y'all.